All right, so before we take a deep dive into my wish list of rare plants, I need to tell you about a wish list plant that I had on my list that by chance I just happened to stumble upon at a local Home Depot. So let's go to Home Depot first because I first noticed this on a Facebook group page that I watch here in Colorado. It's a Colorado big box store, plant chain, and people always post about the plants they find in their local Home Depots. And so I happened to stumble upon a bunch of pictures of an anthurium that didn't really have a title to it until later on somebody posted it saying that it's called a Anthurium Heart's Desire. So I happened to see they were popping up at Home Depots across Colorado and here in the Denver metro area. So as soon as I saw that, I made a quick trip out to the closest one near me, and sure enough, I did indeed find an Anthurium Heart's Desire, which was a desire for my heart. So I ended up getting one, $20, and it is made by a company called Leafjoy, which is part of the Proven Winners collection and company, and it was only $20. And so still trying to figure out exactly what kind of hybrid this is because it's not listed on their website. But I did reach out to the company, and a fella who posted on that Facebook page did the same thing. He heard back, and they said it's actually a Anthurium Silver Blush, which is a wish list dream plant I had wanted for a while. So $20, good find. Apparently they're popping up at Home Depots everywhere, so make sure to go and check yours out. Now, on to the official list. Well, hi everyone, I hope you're doing super well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kevin, and those are some of my plants behind me. But today, we are going to talk about some wish list plants because I really haven't had too much of a desire to buy any new rare plants. But I did come across some that really intrigue me and catch my attention. But first, if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can see more interesting plenty content just like this. All right, so like I said, I haven't had too much of a desire to get any new rare plants, but these ones, well, these ones might change my mind. So let's take a look at some of these botanical wonders because I'm curious to know if you folks have any of them or if you're interested in getting them too. All right, so first off is the Philodendron rubrijuvenile, which is, the El Choco Red. Not too much of a super duper rare plant as it once was, but still, it's really intriguing to me. This plant offers a captivating visual journey starting from its juvenile stage. Well, that's when the leaves exhibit a radiant ruby hue, which gradually transitions into a lush green as it matures. This transformation is not just fascinating to observe, but also makes it a prime specimen for collectors who love dynamic changes in their plants. You can get your hands on this beauty from Equigenera USA for only $30. $30, which, if you think about it, a couple years back, the El Choco Red would cost a couple $100. So it's nice to see prices quite like that. All right, so this one is one that I might just really have to get. It is known as the Philodendron Green Wonder. This hybrid, arising from the cross between Philodendron berosonum and Philodendron pastazanum, flaunts elongated lance-shaped leaves that are a vibrant shade of green with deep, attractive veining. Take a look at that foliage. It's so beautiful. It's perfect for enhancing any interior with a touch of elegance. It thrives in medium to bright indirect light, and you can access it on Equigenera's website for $55. I I just can't get enough. I mean, that's such a beautiful, bright green. It just really, I don't know. I really just feel like maybe I need to get that one. Okay, this one is interesting also. This is the Philodendron lupinum. All right, and why I think that it's just kind of like really captivating to me and why I want to get one is it reminds me of my Philodendron Felix. which is one of my newer favorite plants. I got it, gosh, a year ago, I think now at this point, close to a year ago, from Equigenera show here in Denver. Well, it is a rare find in the philodendron family, boasting large, deeply lobed leaves that demand attention with their striking green color and sculptural beauty. Its rarity and unique foliage make it a prized gem among plant collectors, available for 45 bucks. And I think 40 is what I paid for my Philodendron Felix, which looks very similar to this lupinum, and I got it for like 40 bucks. Yeah, at the Equigenera show here in Denver. All right, so next up is this beauty from NSE Tropicals. We have a fascinating hybrid between Philodendron verrucosum and Philodendron sodoroi majestic. This plant's allure lies in its glossy dark green foliage, making it a sophisticated and low maintenance choice for any collector. Priced at 75 bucks from NSE Tropicals, it's a true testament to the beauty that hybrids can offer. And I love the Philodendron verrucosum. I know that it can be finicky, but you know, there are so many different versions of it now that are just so much easier to care for. So, oh boy, a beautiful mix between those two. Okay, so also from NSE Tropicals is the Philodendron Majesty. This plant is a spectacle with its dark, almost black leaves peppered with subtle peach blotches originating from Alberts and Merkel brothers. It reappeared years later in Ecuador, bringing with it its fabulous glory. Available for 75 bucks from NSE Tropicals. It is certainly a fantastic addition for any serious collector. So it is something that you might want to check out there. Okay, this one really caught my attention too. This is the Philodendron Ernestii Red. It's a showstopper. Hands down, I mean, look at that. I love that foliage. It's so cute. It's got striking red coloration on the stems and the undersides of the leaves, and it adds a vibrant burst of color to any space. It's versatile too, capable of climbing or cascading, which makes it perfect for a variety of indoor setups. You can grab this tropical treasure from Equigenera for 50 bucks. I'm going to put that one at the top of my list when it comes to these plants because I just love those leaves. And the fact that it can be cascading also, I don't know how big their foliage gets, but it just seems like, I don't know, seems like it could be a smaller type of leaf, but I'm here for it, you know. My deepest apologies. I need to take a quick break just to remind you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to my channel so you can see more fun and interesting planty content like this, especially the urban jungle redesign stuff. That is bananas. Check it out. All right, check out the colors on this one. It is a luxurious choice known as the Philodendron domesticum variegated. This variety is known for its eye-catching variegated leaves that blend green and creamy white hues. It thrives in bright indirect light and commands a higher price at 250 bucks due to its stunning appearance and rarity. You can see why. I love those creamy colors with the yellow splotches as well. Those are just beautiful, and I'm really not usually like the biggest variegated person, but this one definitely has my attention. If unique leaf shapes intrigue you, as they do me, then the Philodendron furcatum is a must-have. Recognized by its forked, deeply lobed leaves, it's a climber that loves to reach toward the light, creating a dramatic display whether trained up a trellis or left to cascade naturally. It is a botanical gem prized for both its appearance and adaptability, available for $45. That is probably number 2 on the list of plants that I will definitely have to get because that foliage is insanely beautiful. For something that is really special in alocasia world here, gotta check this one out. This here is the alocasia aslanii. It reminds me of the Alocasia cuprea, which is one of my favorite alocasias. It's also nicknamed the red mambo, native to Brunei and described as recently as 2016. This plant features extraordinary red to purple patterns on its leaves, making it a collector's delight. Equigenera USA is offering a seedling version of it for $20. $20 is a pretty darn good price, and I have to say, I love my cuprea, and it's a stunning, stunning plant. I just love the way that its foliage is like a coppery, shiny type of look to it that bounces off light. But apparently, this Islanii, the red mambo, needs higher humidity, so that's the only thing that's kind of like meh about it. Alrighty, so hear about this one. You probably know about this one. I mean, it's been around for a while. Philodendron Characterized may have waned in popularity, but its rarity and impressive foliage keep it in demand. Its elongated, land-shaped leaves with pronounced veins grow quite large, providing a dramatic tropical aesthetic to any collection. It's available for just $50, and it's a steal for anyone looking to add an exotic touch to their indoor garden. I have wanted one of these for a couple of years now. It reminds me of my Philodendron patriciae, which is my favorite plant, but I really want those long land-shaped leaves like that because they are beautiful. So that one is definitely high up there on my list as well. All right. Although it's currently beyond my budget, I dream of one day owning a variegated Philodendron gloriosum. Its striking variegation is breathtaking and making one of the most sought-after plants among collectors. NSE Tropicals has them priced at $900 for a small plant, just a little small baby, but I'll tell you, like I said, not big into variegation, but man, oh man, that is just a beauty. And I love Philodendron gloriosum. So having one like that would be just absolutely insanely amazing. But again, I'm gonna wait for that to go down in price at least by, $800. If that ever happens. I have to wonder though, what sort of plants are on your wish list right now? Whether they're rare, not so rare. Let me know in the comments below because I always read your guys' comments and I love seeing what you guys are looking at because then I look them up to see whether or not it's something I'd be interested in as well. But as I wrap up this wish list tour, I hope you've been inspired by these incredible plants. Each of the species not only beautifies the space that they occupy, but also bring a sense of pride and joy to those who nurture them. Remember, all links to these plants are provided in the video description below. And if you enjoyed this tour, I hope that you please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on rare and beautiful plants, as well as, more updates to my urban jungle here in downtown Denver. I want to thank you guys so much, as always, for watching another one of my planty videos. And if you haven't already, again, please like, subscribe to this channel because that would be great and help me out a lot to provide you guys with more interesting and fun planty content. I'll see you guys in the next video.